Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to know if someone you blocked you on WhatsApp. Basically it's pretty easy, just follow the steps I do to not make any mistakes. Sometimes it may seem to you that the user has blocked you, but there is no function to find out in WhatsApp, so today we will look at several methods to find out. So the first thing is if you have sent a message but there is only one tick next to the text. This means that the message has not been delivered. After all, as you know, if the message is delivered, then two ticks appear. Be sure to check if you have the internet connected, if everything is okay, and after a couple of hours the message has also not been delivered. This is the first thing that you have been blocked. Also look at the user's photo and the latest online time. If the photo wasn't missing and there is no last online time, these are two more things that you have been blocked. Also, it is possible that a person simply hides this function, so we go to the third method. Try to create a group with the person. After creating it, go to the list as a participant, and if you see only yourself there, then you have definitely been blocked. That's how easy it is. Be sure to watch the entire playlist about WhatsApp on my channel or follow the link in the description. I'm sure you'll learn a lot. I hope guys this tutorial make your life a little bit easy and you like this video. Subscribe to my channel and write your comment. Goodbye. Have a nice day.